$69. This is how much I charged for my first coaching clients when I started my coaching business. And I remember I was in college at the time and I was, building up this coaching business. And our model was very weird at the time. But anyways, I was in college. I remember sitting in class. I was so pissed off because I didn't want to be in college, right? This is the vision I always knew I wanted for my life. I wanted to build this business, do my own thing, have freedom, do things on my own term, on my own time. I wanted, unlimited earning potential. I wanted to provide for my future family. That's what I wanted. And so I was in class pissed off. I wanted to drop out. And I was doing math. I was like, okay, we charge $69 for a client. Like, how do I make, let's say $3K a month. I think that was my goal, like way back in the day when I was, making nothing. And that would like cover my living expenses. So $69, I was doing math. I was like, okay, so we have a coach, like our current business model. We had a coach who did the fulfillment for us. We give him, I believe it was 60%. I'm not exactly sure. So this is about like $41. All right. So we give him $41. That means we're left with, what is that? Quick math. That's about $28 left. And then also I have a biz partner. All right. So biz partner, that means like he takes half. So that means he literally gets $14. And then I get $14 as well. So I did this math. I was like, okay, $14 profit. Okay, cool. That means, all right, I'm trying to make my $3K a month. And I'm like doing math here. Okay, I'm like, okay, cool, $3K a month. This is pretty doable, right? So that means how many clients do I need to actually make this happen? All right, that means I only need, do math on my calculator, 214 clients. And I'm staring at this number. I'm like, I think it's possible. Like, holy crap, it's a big number. 214 clients. That sounds hard, man. That sounds freaking hard. And so I was doing this. I was like, what the heck? How am I supposed to get 214 clients? Like the first client we signed seemed like it was so hard. It literally took me like 3 months to do. And I was like, what the hell? I literally need 214 clients just to make 3K a month, just to live, just to survive doing this. Like there's got to be something I was doing wrong. And so this is the point where, this is probably like about 8, 9, 10 months in or so. And I really like go through this and I try and hit this goal for like the next 6 months till about month 16. And I fail miserably. Like we sign like maybe up to like 5 to 10 clients or so we have. So I'm taking in, actually we had business expenses as well. So I didn't even like make any dollars profit until month 17. And so that was a month where we actually ended up taking our whole bank account and hiring a mentor. And the mentor changed everything for us. He told us this one thing, or he showed us this new model of doing things. So instead of starting just, $69 a month, he was like, no, you guys are stupid. Like, don't do this ever again for the rest of your life. All right, your life is a living hell. Let's fix this. So what we did, we started charging, all right, we went from low ticket prices to $1,000 per client. All right, this is just per client for a client package, like a 3-month program. All right, this changed my life. All right, high ticket prices for coaching packages. All right, $1,000 isn't that high ticket, but that's where we started. So I remember first client we closed on this, and this was like insane. We actually charged $997. I remember seeing that Stripe invoice come through, the payment come through. I'm like, holy crap, I'm rich. I just made so much more money. I used to charge $69. All right, I would have had to get, what is it? Like 15 clients or so to get the same amount of money. Like, what the heck? Like, what in the world is going on here? And so I just got that with one client. So this changed the game forever. We started charging higher ticket prices. So we went from 1,000 to about 2K. Getting lazy with my writing here. And then we went to 3K. And then we even went to 4K. All right, and then we even had some packages we would charge up to 15K. I know it sounds insane. Like, it was insane. Like, it's pretty mind blowing. You could charge 15K, especially like for fitness. Sounds like out of this world. But that's what we did. Main program is 4K, but we had like some crazy upsell type of thing for 15K. And so like this video, why I'm making this is I want to share my story, and I think it can break some limiting beliefs you might have. Right? Because if you're charging some subscription thing like we used to do, like $50, $100, $200, $300, even $400. Like all that stuff is like, it's fine, but like scaling it to like numbers you actually want to make decent money, to have more freedom, like it's hard because you have to handle a whole lot of clients. That brings a whole lot more complexity into your business, makes things a lot harder. And then also like you just need a lot of people. Like you need to sell a lot of freaking people. All right, so for very similar work, like we did the same work for the $69 client and the $1,000 client and the 4K client, like the same exact work, but way less clients to deal with. And also only had to make one sale. Like, man, like life is so much easier when you do a high ticket. All right, so please do high ticket. It's absolutely doable. Especially you're solving a big problem in the space of fitness, in the space of relationships, in the space of money, investing, whatever. Any of those like three big realms of money, health, and relationships, people really value those areas of their life. So you can easily charge high ticket. All right, I've helped dozens of coaches do the same, charge these higher ticket prices for their programs of anywhere from like 2K to 15K. It's very doable. So please do this. It will change your life. It'll make your business way more easier to scale and hit numbers you actually want. All right, so that's the video for today. If you're a coach, you want to scale your business, you want more clients, then hit the link below. We'll talk. And yeah, hope you have a blessed day. Talk soon.